Natural Bridges National Monument by Adventures with Mark and Sunoco. After we left Capitol Reef National Park, we drove south on the Bicentennial Highway, otherwise known as State Route 95. Natural Bridges National Monument is located about 50 miles northwest of the Four Corners boundary of southern Utah. The three bridges in the park are named Sipapu, Kachina, and Owachomo. Horsecollar Ruin is an ancestral Pueblo ruin visible from an overlook a short hike from Bridgeview Drive, and it was abandoned more than 700 years ago. While you're here, hit that like button. Remember, likes are free. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching.